Welcome to another ultimate sound test, guys, and it's been a while since I did this here in this channel. So we have a 6-way in this sound test. We have the top recommendations here in this channel. So it ranges from $30 to $100. So I kind of put everything in, all my favorites here. Of course, there's other IEMs as well, but we can only fit 6. And I thought of using several price ranges. It's just, my favorites. I wanted to, put them inside one big sound test. And of course, the star of the show is the TC01, our new $50 favorite. So of course, in this sound test, guys, this will be just to give you an idea on how this sounds like. It's still better if you can hear this yourself. This also took a lot of time to do, so make sure you leave a like here in this channel as well. And of course, if you want to support the channel, subscribe to Patreon. I have a new Patreon page if you want to support what the channel is doing. So yes, with that out of the way, let's start with the blind test, and after that, I will reveal the IEMs to you. And of course, comment down below what you think is the winner, especially in the blind test part. So let's start the sound test now.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.